she was telling, she was showing like the letters, and Julia says, I don't know that letter. When she was telling me.
Avery was telling Julia stuff?